friends, today I will show how to make clay in duck also, and these things also I going to tell this clay also, and I have many this also. I have cat also and car, bus also. I have so much also. I have so much. This also I will go to make. Also this one I going to make first, and I have this also. I have so much clay also. See, I have so much also, and this I going to show. I have black clay in here in this box. I have black clay. That's why I kept in here this chocolate. First, I go to this open this box. And
What it is having everything? You having so many things in that?
yeah, I have
What is that? Knife.
knife. I have knife and chapati. Hench. This is a hench. And one more hench. And this is a fork. And I have so much pressing. I have lotus pinch. And I have ducky pinch. And I have pulse bus print. And one more cat print and one more cat print. And I have teddy bear print. And I have one more ducky print. And one more dust only. And I have scooter. And I have two dogs. And I have one thief.
What are those?
This is the printer.
Those are molds.
Mouse.
So you have to put a clay in that and you have to make a picture. What picture you are going to make?
This also I go
So you have so many clays are there with you. Where did you got all these clays?
in DMart.
You got it in DMart.
Yeah.
Okay.
You also take in DMart only.
Okay.
I take white.
What is that white?
White
Clay.
clay, and one more blue clay,
Okay.
and I take one more red clay. That's only I take it, and one black clay.
What you are going to make?
Ducky also, and I put it in here also. I going to press also in here.
So if you press here, what it will become?
Colors also. I show it.
So you put it here. Let us see what it.
I put it this black
Okay.
and want to press.
Okay, if you press like that, what
And-
will happen?
It open this clay. I have this slice also.
Wow! So it became flower.
No, this is orange.
Huh?
Orange.
It is an orange.
Yeah.
Where is the orange?
This is orange.
Okay. Pineapple I want.
In last I show.
Okay.
First, I take red
Hmm.
and open this red. I'm going to press it.
Okay. So you have to make a press.
Those will press no.
Give me something. I will also eat it. Will you give? You can eat. Can we eat that?
This is clay.
I cannot eat it. What will happen if I eat?
Stomach will pain.
Stomach will pain. So tell to your friends not to eat that.
Not eat, friends. This clay will eat. Stomach will pain also.
Okay, tell to your friends what you are going to make now.
I going to take ducky.
What is that? Duck.
Ducky paint.
Okay.
I going to print this also. And I going to open this and I going to separate and I take blue color. Blue color.
So this is a small duck.
Yeah.
This is a small duck you made.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have molds also they are given. If you just put a clay inside, so it will become a small duck.
Yeah.
So you have to press like that and you have to put it in that mold. Oh, presser.
Yeah, and this is open.
Okay, so you have 2 ducks now.
No, yeah.
You have made 2 ducks.
I going to show it. I put this like in same. I put in blue and to open, and I going to put red ducky, and I want to open this and one more take print. Print the duck. This way. And I going to open this. I have so see I wasted this one and I going to make I have colorful and I have blue color and here I go to red color.
It's a duck.
Yeah, duck as a
Baby duck.
I have red and I am putting a blue. I am do one more. What I want to do? Say
What you are going to do?
what yours?
Cat you make it.
Cat.
I want cat. You have cat. Small cat you have, right? Do it.
What? First we want to put eyes in
What is this cat color?
yellow.
Yellow. Yellow is the cat color.
No, which color is that?
Which color you are going to make?
Black color.
Black color cat. Meow. How it look like? Duck, how will it make sound? Duck. Duck.
No.
Hey, duck make sounds, yaar. Don't know.
This is my duck. This is my eyes.
Oh, you have kept the eyes as well. So beautiful. Where are the legs?
I want to. I take black place.
So you'll take black lace and you'll make legs for it.
Yeah. First.
So you know how to make the legs as well.
Yeah.
Wow,
First we
beautiful.
want to take small one.
My kid knows everything.
See, I want to take small one play.
Okay.
I want to rub it this like.
Okay.
This like.
Super, baby.
I am going to make this way and fold it this hand. Fold like this. And we want to put. This is a duck.
Duck leg. So it is not going at all. It is staying there only. It doesn't go. It doesn't move. Why? Why it doesn't move? Not move.
This is a play, not real.
Not real. It doesn't do anything.
I'm doing in clay. I'm not doing real.
Real. Do it na, real one.
No,
Why yaar?
don't know how to make real.
You don't know how to make real. You get it in forest. Duck.
No, in water.
Water it will be there. Wow, this is real duck. So you kept the legs for it now.
And I put one more leg.
Okay, you are going to put one more leg. So what you do?
And I want to go one more small.
You want to take one more small ball.
And we want to rub this leg.
You want to rub like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
this leg. small. I take one more, and I want to do this smaller. And I want to rub it.
Ask your friends also do it.
Friends, you also do this.
Tell, see the camera and tell.
You also do it, friends. You also.
See the camera, yaar.
Wait, I will see friends.
You're not seeing the camera.
You also.
See the camera and tell.
You also made this duck also. You also.
I will make the duck and I will eat it.
No, you should not eat this duck.
Hey, I will eat, yaar.
Eat means.
I am very angry.
And you do means you eat will come stomach pain.
I will go to doctor.
Okay. Doctor will give a big injection.
Big injection also I am ready to take.
You take vomit also will come.
Vomit also will do.
And you toilet will come.
This is very tasty.
No. Wacky.
You should not eat. Tell to your friends not to eat this.
I have duck. See, I have finished the duck.
Wow, show it one more time. Wow, cute duck. Very cute.
And I do this one is this prints. I do this prints. Okay. I love red. I put it silver.
I don't love red color, yaar.
What will color love?
I love color blue.
Blue. Sorry.
What you are going to make for me in blue?
Blue will come. This car will come. Blue is this.
What is that?
And police car.
Cloud.
Police car.
Police car. Where is police in that?
This is a police printer.
Police printer. But where are the policemen people? Huh? You are just telling lie.
No,
There is no police people. Then where is the police van?
this is a police van.
Who told you?
Just like I do it. And I want to open this.
Oh, super, yeah.
And I ready this flower.
Super clever.
And I do this color in this apple. Okay.
So you're going to give me apple now? Oh, I wanted to eat, yaar. I'm very angry.
I have not green. That's why I put green.
No, I want apple. No, apple won't be in blue color, yaar.
I not have green.
Apple in the red color, right?
Yeah. I said in here.
Hmm?
I kept in here. I have not green color.
Oh, you don't have green color. So green color is there. See this here, this one.
No.
Take that.
No.
You have so many green color, yaar. Take.
Oh, okay.
Hmm?
I'm taking green color. This like small color. Okay, enough display. I put it red in here. And I take green color. Take green color.
Okay, yaar.
And I put here.
Wow, apple it became now.
I do it apple. See? I do it apple.
Super apple. Give me, I will eat it.
No, it is apple.
Then what is the use, yaar? I wanted to eat.
No.
I cannot eat. Tell to your friends not to eat this.
No, eat the apple. You eat means stomach pain. And doctor will give big injection. And will come stomach pain also. No, eat friends. This apple. This clay. I made that apple also. See?
Okay, great, yaar. Show it.
This is my craft in making a clay.
So you have made what is that? Animal.
This is a duck, and this is a red flower,
Okay.
and this is an apple.
This is an apple. You have made these things today.
I'm going to make one more.
What you are going to make?
One clip.
Clip you are going to make.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to take red,
Okay.
and I'm going to press. One I do, and I'm going to press it. I'm going to press this. I have this one printer. I'm going to press it, and I'm going to remove. Make this tip. I'm going to make one small clip, and I made small clip. I'm going to make small clip. I'm going to make. I take this one and I take green color. I take one green color. Green color. Take a small green color. I take orange. Press it in this one. This is ready. And this is ready. And I put in clip. No, this is not super. I don't want clip.
Okay.
I put orange. See?
Okay. Tell to your friends to make this.
Wait. Friends, you also
See this side camera.
Friends, you also made this one
Using clay.
using the clay. And I made in the outside also red and here blue. You also can make. Take it back,
Thank you, baby.
and you.
See, this is for you guys. This is for gift from Unnati. Super Unnati. Very beautiful.
And you also can make.
You can also make it. You can also make it.
Yeah.
I cannot make it yet.
You have these things means you also can make. It means will come stomach pain and will come toilet also.
Do not try to eat.
Yeah, you eat means stomach pain also and food toilet also. So much will come. If you like this video, please click on like button. Subscribe my channel. Bye.
Thanks.
Do not eat the clay.